Hello there. Welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring you interesting story of President-elect Joe Biden's speech at Delaware as he departs for Washington. Details in a bit.
You know, it's kind of emotional.
President-elect Joe Biden departed for Washington, D.C. from his home state of Delaware on Tuesday in an emotional send-forth. He said goodbye at the National Guard Reserve in Newcastle, named for his last son, Beau. Biden choked up in his speech, saying Delaware will always be in his heart. The president-elect spoke outside to a small crowd of Delaware dignitaries who sent off their neighbor to the White House. Let's check out his speech.
Thank you, Governor. And Tracy, and all my friends that are here, for everything you've done for me and for my family throughout the years. Tommy, you've been a friend a long time. I look out there and I see Mike Przicki. Mike, I'm glad you're healthy, man. You're here, pal. I'm really glad, Mike. Look, you know, it's kind of emotional for me. But look, you're with me my whole career, and through the good times and the bad. I want to thank you for everything. To my fellow Delawareans, on behalf of the entire Biden family that's here today, I want to express how much you mean to me and to every one of us. You know, in our family, the values we share, the character we strive for, the way we view the world, it all comes from home. It all comes from Delaware. The state that gave my mother and father a home and a livelihood when they needed it most. The state that made my brother and sister and I, both of whom are here, understand that we could do whatever we dreamed of, whatever that was. And it gave me a chance when I was just a kid to elect me to, and believed in me and sent me to the United States Senate before going to the county council, after going to the county council, where Jill and I found one another and where she made me strong, as Ernest Hemingway wrote, in all the broken places. And the state that loves our children and our grandchildren and loved our Beau, and he so loved you right back. General Barry, when the headquarters was named after Beau, I told General Vavel at the time, it means everything to me, to Hunter, to Ashley, to Jill, to our whole family. But Beau would be the first to say the honor goes to the men and women of the Delaware National Guard and their families, who gave so much, were true patriots, defined by the courage of their character. And so it's deeply personal, so special. That's what it taught me. It taught me the most. There's always light. When I came home after graduating from Delaware and then going on to law school at Syracuse, I came home after law school to Wilmington, to our county. It had gone dark. Dr. King was assassinated. Wilmington had been in flames. The National Guard patrolled the streets. And that turmoil inspired me to become a public defender, a step I never anticipated would lead me toward this improbable journey. Where 12 years ago, I was waiting at the train station in Wilmington for a black man to pick me up on our way to Washington, where we were sworn in as President and Vice President of the United States of America. And here we are today, my family and I, about to return to Washington to meet a black woman of South Asian descent, to be sworn in as President and Vice President of the United States. As I told Beau on that station waiting for Barack and Hunter and Ashley, I said, don't tell me things can't change. They can, and they do. That's America. That's Delaware, a place of hope and light and limitless possibilities. And I'm honored. I'm truly honored to be your next president and Commander-in-Chief, and I'll always be a proud son of the state of Delaware. As Tommy, or better known as Chairman Carper, Senator Carper, knows, my colleagues in the Senate used to always kid me for quoting Irish poets. They thought I did it because I'm Irish. I didn't do it for that reason. I did it because they're the best poets in the world. And James Joyce was said to have told a friend that when it comes his time to pass, when he dies, he said, Dublin will be written on my heart. Well, excuse the emotion, but when I die, Delaware will be written on my heart. And the hearts of all of us, all the Bidens. We love you all. You've been there for us in the good and the bad. You never walked away. And I am proud to be a son of Delaware. And I am even more proud to be standing here doing this from the Major Beau Biden facility. Ladies and gentlemen, I only have one regret. He's not here, because we should be introducing him as president. But we have great opportunities. Delaware has taught us anything's possible. Anything's possible in this country. So God bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you.
Meanwhile, Donald Trump, giving his last speech at the White House, has also stated that his administration was able to achieve what it came to do. Let's check it out.
As I conclude my term as the 45th President of the United States, I stand before you truly proud of what we have achieved together. We did what we came here to do, and so much more. This week, we inaugurate a new administration and pray for its success in keeping America safe and prosperous.
However, the President-elect Joe Biden will be inaugurated alongside his Vice President Kamala Harris at 12 p.m. EST. We'll bring you more details in just a bit. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live.